Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial part of selling on Amazon: pricing. To help you maximize profits, we'll be exploring two powerful functions with an Asinzen insight: Get My FBA Sell Price and Get My FBM Sell Price. These tools help you calculate the optimal selling price needed to achieve your target profit, whether you're using fulfillment by Amazon or fulfillment by merchant. Let's start with Get My FBA Sell Price. This function calculates the ideal selling price required to hit your target profit margin when using FBA. To use this function directly in a sell, you'll need the Amazon Marketplace, the ASIN, the buy cost, and your target profit. Simply type Get My FBA Sell Price, followed by the Marketplace in quotes, the ASIN in quotes, the buy cost, and then your target profit. Hit Enter, and the function will display the calculated selling price. Let's take a look at Get My FBM Sell Price. This function calculates the selling price you need for FBM to reach your target profit margin. The formula is just as simple. Type Get My FBM Sell Price, followed by the Marketplace, ASIN, buy cost, and your target profit. If you're working with multiple ASINs, the function builder is the perfect tool for batch processing and customization. Go to Extensions and locate Asinzen Insight, then click on Function Builder. You'll find both functions in the FBA Calculator and FBM Calculator sections. Start by selecting the cells with your ASIN, then use the Marketplace dropdown to choose the correct marketplace. Once everything is set, click the Get My FBA Sell Price or Get My FBM Sell Price button. The function will calculate the optimal selling prices for all selected ASINs and populate your sheet with the results. By leveraging Asinzen Insight's Get My FBA Sell Price and Get My FBM Sell Price functions, you can confidently determine the best pricing strategy to maximize your profits on Amazon, regardless of your fulfillment method. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more actionable tips and tutorials.